Hi there, welcome to our channel Fleetag. In this video, we will talk about how to promote music on Spotify without ad. So for this, let's move to our mobile screen. So first of all, open the Spotify app. Once the app is open, now click on the right bottom corner where it says create. Simply click on create and you will get different options here. So you need to click on collaborative playlist here. Click on it. So now you can rename it and click on create. So now the playlist is created. They will automatically give you an option to invite collaborators, but first of all we will add few musics here. So for now I will click on add to playlist and here I will add few musics as we want to promote songs without ad. Okay, so now the music is added. So first of all it is logged, so we want to make it public. So for this, click on three dots and scroll down and click on make public. So now your playlist is public. Now to invite collaborators here, click on three dots again, scroll down and click on invite collaborators. So from here you will get different options to post this playlist on different social media platforms. Like you can share it on WhatsApp, Instagram stories, TikTok, Snapchat, and also on Twitter. So in this way you can promote music on Spotify without ad. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.